Welcome back to Karis Investment, where investments are made simple. As usual, guys, we bring investment to you that could make you a lot of money. Now, we're looking at AVIS Budget Group. The company is down significantly. If we take a look back here in November, if you guys had invested on November 1st or even November 2nd, that you could have made 300% in a single day on your investment. But let's take a look in the last month. We have seen the stock have tailored down lower than expected, breaking 160 per share. But then we saw a recovery and breaking $200 per share again. But then we look in the last like 10 days and we have seen a huge difference from what we saw on last Friday to what we're seeing right now. So if we take a look in the last 5 days to make the chart looks a little bit cleaner, we can see on the 10th, we saw there was a rise at 203 per share, but then we saw as the market was coming down on the 11th, the stock closes just around $178 per share. And then we saw a recovery back on Monday. And then we saw a huge drop yesterday and a small recovery, but it still closed off the day at $171.25. Now, as usual, please do your research, but in a simple analysis, I can let you guys know that this is a great opportunity. And the reason why I said it's a great opportunity, because last year, we saw something very similar. We saw it rise to 200 plus per share. If we go back here in November, I want to make sure I'm right here. We saw a small climb in the stock. It goes to $200 per share, and then we saw it came back down in the 174, 175 before we saw the historic run that we see breaking $545 per share. Now, a lot of different analysts are giving a lot of different rating on this stock, but I truly feel that this stock right now, I have a price target. I'm confident that it will break, or and I will. I would say I'm being very skeptical that there's a strong possibility that we could see another run, if not breaking $250 per share, maybe around 280. So anything between $250 to $280 per share, I think it is possible. Now, we cannot go back to 2020. If you guys remember back in 2020, the stock was trading at around $6, $7 per share, right? That was an opportunity. Most of you guys who watch my videos back in 2020, you guys understand that we got in a few plays at below $8 per share. But then obviously the first time it breaks over $100 per share, a lot of people sold and then buy back in the 60s. And then we're able to make a huge profit when it touches that $500 per share. So again, that's the past. Um, it's hard to relive those moments, but the main thing I want to say, guys, is it's an opportunity. Now, we saw the earnings report and the company. I'll put everything on the screen here that they have a record um, break-in earnings report as well. I think it says something here of $2.57 billion, just around $6.63 per share. So it is a strong earning report for the company. So I do look for a price target north of 250 to $280 per share. As usual, guys, do your own research to make sure that you're confident in making this type of investment. It is a mid to long term investment, not a same day profit that we're looking at, but we're looking at anything from 3 to 6 months. We should be able to break 250 to 280, if not $300 per share. So again, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys got in, if you bought up some shares, and if you're holding long term or if you're doing it just for a short to midterm trade. So again, guys, like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, peace out.